kind. Walang ganon sa Philippine TV before, and it made me feel like I'm also a part of other people's lives. I'm telling a story that doesn't get to be told. Totga, because I just enjoyed it so much, and it was funny. It felt so natural, and
Very light lang, ano?
it,
Light
oo,
lang.
I mean, may drama parts din siya, pero alam mo yun, kahit malanding, parang sosyalerang malandi yung character ko, parang nahanap ko pa rin yung humanity niya. And alam mo yun, I loved her. That's why parang simula nun I started liking yung mga offbeat characters, kasi parang when I read yung Totga, sabi ko, people are gonna hate me the most from the three girls. But alam mo yun, it was still so fun to play, and naging tao pa rin si Zoe. So after nun, yun na yung lagi kong hinahanap, yung mga offbeat, yung mga gray, yung mga akala mo hindi mo magugustuhan. Yun na yung mga naging favorite ko. Tapos sabi ko, alam mo yun, wala naman palang good guy and bad guy. We're just all people going through the world.
And no, definitely Mitena.
And now, yes. So, of course, Royal Blood pa. After that, Pulang Araw was also really
Magaling
memorable
ka rin
kahit
doon,
one day lang ako doon.
mahusay
But
ka doon,
still, and then, now, Mitena.
Mitena.
Oo.
Ano ang feeling mo ang Mitena ay saging parang bukang bibig talaga? Parang isa ka sa bida talaga dun sa Sangre, tinaabangan yung character mo.
I mean, there's something about Mitena talaga that is so memeable. And I'm so grateful for that. The biggest compliment that people give me about Mitena is, sabi nila, yung naramdaman nila siya at naiintindihan nila. Kasi parang hindi naman natin usually ugaling tanggapin or intindihin yung mga masasamang character. But ayun na nga, it's just such a beautifully written role. Ang ganda ng journey ng
Pinagmulan ka sa
character.
mga
So, ayun, parang she became very real to me also. Kasi nga na I got to discover her past and everything. So, ayun, I just feel very lucky. And hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung magiging pagtanggap ng mga tao. So, I can either be the most hated or loved. It's all the same to me. I'm just happy na, they're, alam mo yun, para bang, they're really experiencing Encantadia as a real world.
Rian, kasi before, you're naging open ka naman, no? Na dumaan ka sa depression before, na may mga pagdaanan kang mabibigat. Na nalagpasan mo naman.
Oo.
Ano yung naging support sa iyo ng GMA during that time?
Naging support sa akin ng GMA.
Para malagpasan mo yung
I mean, I
face
think
sa buhay mo.
I think it really says a lot na hindi nila ako iniwan.
Okay.
Alam mo yon, kasi alam ko naman, 'di ba, kaya nga show business eh. It's a business. And it's so easy to treat someone like a business, but GMA didn't do that. They treated me like a person who is still learning, who's still growing, and they gave me the opportunity to learn from my life experiences and grow and be better. And so parang for me, since the station was so accepting of me at my worst times, I owe them all of my best.
So never mong naisip na lumipat ng ibang station?
Never, no.
After your mind?
No, kasi parang, alam mo yun, it's not me being loyal to the way I see my life and my career. The way when I look back, they were loyal to me this whole time.
Right.
And there's nothing that could replace that.
Yeah. Kamusta na kayo dalawa ni Sam? Is here now to give you a support?
Well, we're great, and I'm so happy to have someone, a partner that is so supportive of me. As you can see naman, the people here are the ones that are invested in my career. Of course, it's my management, Rachel, my handler, my manager, Michael Oikoko. My mom is here, obviously, because she's my mom. So he really didn't have to be here, but he chose to be here. He knew that this is a really big day for me. This is like a really big moment for me, and he's here to support me.
Mhm. Before kasi, naalala mo nun sa press ko ng, what's this, ng Meg and Ryan,
Yeah.
napag-usapan yung issue ng, I think, prenuptial.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
hanggang ngayon ba ganun pa rin ang stand ba about that?
Yes.
Mhm.
Of course. It didn't change in a month.
yeah. So you
Yeah.
still believe in that?
Yes. I really believe that prenups are a very healthy practice. I don't really think that there's anything wrong with it.
Yeah.
I intend, like, ever since I intend to do that, because alam mo yun, if it's a partnership between, two people, in the same way that I had a contract
Yes,
signing
yes.
today, it's a partnership with me and this station, and these are the terms of it should be us na nag-uusap about it, hindi yung contract na parang ginawa for someone else how many years ago, like 200 years ago. Dapat kami yung nag-uusap about it, kami yung maglilay ng terms ng sarili naming agreement.
Kasi may mga babae na offend pag ganyan eh. Kami mga prenuptial, parang na-hurt yung feelings nila. Dahil ang tingin sa kanila, materialistic, whatever. What is your reaction?
No, it's okay, just write in the prenup that it's all yours.
Tama naman. Tama.
Hindi naman it doesn't, I mean, kasi yung concept ng prenup is that means you get nothing. That's not what a prenup does. It just, basically, it's just the terms of your agreement.
Yun lang yun.
Oo, you can have any kind of, I mean, kayo naman yung mag-uusap kung ano yung, ano
Kasi
yung
people
agreement
thought,
na yun.
pag prenuptial, tama ba ako? Lahat ng kinita mo ng dalaga ka sa'yo, same thing pag lalaki, lahat ng pera niya, mula nung binata siya, ay kanya. Mag-share lang kayo kung ano yung kikitain niya kung nagpakasal na kayo.
Oo, pero lahat ng utang niya sa'yo din. Sige ka.
Oo nga, tama nga.
Ano
naman.
utang?
Tapos yung utang niya na binata siya, kanya. Tama ba ako? Tama naman, di ba? Tama
Oo,
naman.
share kayo sa lahat.
Oo nga.
Pati sa problema.
Oo nga.
Well, gano'n naman talaga ang marriage, I guess. That's also a definition of
And you're very open naman, sabi mo nga, hindi pa nakikita yung sarili mo, hindi pa napag-uusapan, pero you still don't see any definite date for that.
Yes, wala pa. Wala pa kaming date or plan. But, I mean, he's talking to my mom right now. Who
Yun
knows
na,
what
eh.
they're talking about?
Ayun na nga, paano kinakausap
Maybe
ng
they're-
nanay mo?
Who knows?
Nag-o-ko. Wala about that.
Maybe malap na.
yeah.
Maybe hindi.
Pwede gano'n naman din.
Anything naman, I mean, the thing is, I've really learned already not to, like, super make plans about my life. Tinatanggap ko lang kung ano yung dinadala sa akin ng buhay at ni Lord, kung ano yung gusto niya sa akin. Kasi napansin ko, pag ako yung gumagawa ng plano, medyo hindi...
Sumasablay
Oo,
minsan pa.
medyo sumasablay eh. Pero pag tinatanggap ko lang kung ano yung gusto sa akin ni Lord, kung ano, it's always the best. Like, this showbiz was not my plan. That was God.
Yeah.
And yung career pathing ko, this is not my plan. I didn't say, GMA, can you give me,
role, this
a
kind of-
Margaret Royales in Royal Blood, or can you give me a Mitena in... This is, lahat is, wala akong kinalaman sa plano, and it's always the best outcome.
May last na lang. Kailangan na? Okay.
Question lang, what makes it special to be a kapuso after a long period of time?
After a long period of time, napansin ko kasi na through the years, they've just been giving me non-stop pabigat ng pabigat.
Yung mga
And,
roles.
oo, meteor and meteor. Hindi ako, alam mo yon, na nauubusan ng gagawin at natututunan. Lagi ako may first. As in, every year, may bago na naman akong first time. So, for me, I'm just honored to still be a kapuso because I can see na para bang yung trust din nila sa akin nag-grow. Parang dun ko siya binabase sa kung anong klaseng roles yung binibigay sa akin eh. So, ayun, parang nafe-feel ko talaga yung pagtiwala ng network. I'm so honored. Nakita ko naman din yung attendance today, di ba?
Present sila lahat. Ano?
These are all the faces that you will only see at GMA anniversary or GMA gala, and yet they're here this morning for me. And I really feel like this station is my family, and I'm going to do everything to give the Kapuso audience the absolute best of me.
Do you still see yourself like 5 years from now? Nakapuso pa rin.
Yes, because my contract's 5 years. Hindi.
Ilang years yung contact mo? 5 years?
4 and something. Parang
Ano,
ganun.
So,
5
5,
years
so
na?
sakto.
Oo. So yeah.
Tama ka 30.
Actually, I see myself in 5 years with you guys signing the deal.
Correct.
Renewal
Kasi
ulit.
it's due.
Thank
Bali, pang
you.
ilang renewal mo na siya, Rian?
Sorry.
Pang ilang renewal?
Oh my gosh, good question.
10 times?
Parang
Pa-
5 or 6. Parang gano'n. I'm not sure.
Yun lang. Thank you.
Masunodin kami. Thank you.
Ay, Rian, pahabol lang. In almost 20 years sa industry, mayroon ka pa bang gustong gawin or mga dream roles?
Oh, yeah.